Hey guys, it's Harley, and today we have got Fidget Cube and Fidget Spinner. Yeah, so these things are epic. Just gonna pull them out of my pocket. 1, 2. Yeah. Yeah, so that's what 2 for 3 using. Whoa! Whoa! I swear it looks like something on camera. Oh. Wow, that's cool. Looks so false. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Whoa, that's so cool. Do it quickly. Bo's done a poo. Doggy's done a poo. Dog's done a poo. Okay. Okay. It looks like so cool on camera. And this fidget spinner is very special. With this gold, 2 rungs, it's metal. Now for that's done. Now for the fidget cube. So there's buttons on it. I believe they don't do anything, and it can like yeah, so it goes across, and yeah, also this bottom one, and the other shirt, and yeah, so now I'm ending. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. You see the cube? So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Really, I'll never be able to get on camera. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let's see if we can smash 5 likes. No, I'm going 6. 6 likes for this video, and yeah, so more gaming. Yeah. So yeah, so peace out. Peace out.